Do you want to stop WhatsApp from auto-downloading media to your gallery? If you're tired of all those photos, videos, and documents saved automatically, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off automatic downloads in just a few quick steps. But before getting started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description. Make sure to check them out after watching this video. So, let's jump into WhatsApp. Instead of letting every file automatically download, you can take control and manually choose what to save. To disable auto-download in WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap the three dots menu at the top right of the screen. If you're on an iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right. From the menu that pops up, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on Storage and Data. Once you're on the Storage and Data screen, you'll see a section labeled Media Auto Download. This is where the magic happens. Here are three options. When using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Let's start with the first one to tap on when using mobile data. Now, you'll see a pop-up with checkboxes for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Simply uncheck all of these options and tap OK. Now, let's move on to the second option, tap on when connected on Wi-Fi. Uncheck all the boxes in this section too, and tap OK again. Lastly, do the same for when roaming. Uncheck everything and tap OK one last time. And that's it. With these settings, WhatsApp won't auto-download media files anymore.